Hello everyone, so for today I am visiting the Alfa Romeo Museum in Milan, and for the night I'm staying at Hilton Garden Inn in Milan North. I've actually booked the cheapest room available right here, but they've upgraded me to this deluxe room. It is room 504 on the 5th floor, so let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. On the right, light switch together with the slot to insert the key card for the room's power. That is the view that you get as you enter the room. To the left, shelves and storage areas. Place to put your luggage below. And actually, behind this door, more storage, together with an empty fridge, so you can store your own stuff in there. And below is the in-room safe. Okay, so the bathroom with the sink, mirror, hello, toilet, bidet, and the bathtub plus shower. Further inside, desk area, flat screen LG TV, armchair. Obviously you do have your various lights in the room, the double bed, bedside tables with your writing materials, telephone and whatnot. Now what's interesting about this hotel is they provide you with a smartphone, so you can take it out of your room and use it to explore the city and whatnot. It has, I believe, free data on it, so that's how it works. The clock. And I guess the best thing about this room is the balcony. It is not that bad of a view. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 504 at the Hilton Garden Inn, Milan North. Thanks for watching and goodbye.